Okay, let's take a look at Google Fonts again to see if we can find a font that we'd like to add to this part of the web page. So I remember there were some beautiful fonts over here. So you can just imagine which one is going to look better for the description we have in front of the image over there. So I'm particularly looking for something that is not too bold or too thick. Let me just scroll down and, well, this one is interesting. This one is good. As you can see, it is sans serif, so it's really perfect for screen and seems to be something that I was looking for. But let me scroll down a little bit further. Before I do that, let me get the name. I'll copy this so that I remember what it was. And then I scroll down further. See, this one is also nice. This is a beautiful font for that sort of text we have over there. Let's try both of them. So first one, so how do we add a new Google font to the project? So let's go to Visual Studio Code. You remember where we imported the fonts.google APIs and then we added the family that we wanted to import. Now in order to add the next family, you can add a pipe sign, which is Shift plus backslash on the keyboard, and then paste the name of the second font that you want to add. And I want to bring 3 of them now. So let me go ahead and have another one. So because I wanted to test this one as well. This one. Or maybe, yeah, this is the one. So I'll just copy the name. I'll bring it to my Visual Studio Code where I imported the font. So now I should have access to both of these two as well. So let's go ahead and try both of them for the paragraph tag with the ID main P. So don't forget to save your files after you make changes to the import line. And now instead of my font family Arial, I'm going with this one. And I should also put it inside quotation marks, as this is a specific font name coming from Google Fonts. And if that didn't work for any reason, then it will just go to the default sans serif. So let's take a look and let's see how our project looks now with the new font. I refresh and okay, that didn't work. And it also destroyed our previous Google font that we had over here. So we did something wrong on the import. So let's take a look at that. Let's see what we did wrong. Probably I added extra spaces here, which I shouldn't have. So let me remove the spaces before and after the pipe sign to be able to add these new fonts. And I'm going to go ahead and test it. And there you go. Now it worked. So the problem was the extra space on my import line. Now this is a new font, which is beautiful. I like it, but I want to try the other one as well. So this is a nice one. I can make it a little bit smaller, maybe. So keep this in mind. The second one I want to test is this one. Let's see both of them, and then I will reduce the size. This is another font that looks beautiful. So I refresh, and there you go. I think I like this even better. Looks beautiful. Okay, a few final touches here. I want to change the margin, if you remember, that we added to 2EM everywhere, top, bottom, left, and right. I want to decrease it on left and right and increase it on top and bottom. So take a look at if I add 2EM, 1EM. Now you will see it change over here. You will see now the 2EM is for the top and the bottom, and the left and right is a little bit less. So my image and my text are now closer to each other a little bit while maintaining the space on the top. Now I want to even add more space to the top. So let's go with a 3EM, 1EM. Okay, good. So now there's more space on the top too. Okay, what about the size of this font? Do you think this is the best size, or do you think we need to make it a little bit lower? Let's go with 1.7 EM. I think it would look a little bit more beautiful if we made it a bit smaller, like this. Now, we can go back to the larger one if that's the one we find more interesting down the line, but I would like to keep this, and as you can see, it is aligned to the middle of the image. That's what we wanted to have, and well, so far so good. Let's continue.